Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to grow radishes in your garden. Radishes are a great addition to any garden as they are easy to grow and can be harvested in a short amount of time. So let's get started. The first thing to consider is when to plant your radishes. Radishes grow best in cooler temperatures between 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, so planting in early spring or late summer, early autumn is ideal. In terms of soil temperature, a range of 10 to 25 degrees Celsius is best for germination. Radishes require consistent moisture to grow properly, so it is important to water them regularly. Depending on the weather, you may need to water them 2 to 3 times a week, making sure the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Radishes do not require a lot of space to grow, so you can easily plant them in a small area of your garden. For every square meter of space, you can sow around 60 seeds. Make sure to spread them out evenly to ensure they have enough room to grow. You can harvest your radishes after about 3 to 4 weeks, once the roots have reached their desired size. A good indicator is the size of the leaves, which should be around 10 to 15 centimeters tall. One of the most common problems with radishes is root maggots, which can damage the roots. To prevent this, you can cover your radish bed with a lightweight row cover. Another issue can be overcrowding, which can lead to smaller roots. Make sure to thin out your radishes if they are growing too close together. Radishes can be grown in a variety of climates, as long as the temperatures are within the optimal range. If the weather gets too hot, the radishes can become spicy and bitter. Radishes have many uses, the most common being in salads or as a garnish. They have a slightly spicy and crisp taste, and can be eaten raw or cooked. In conclusion, growing radishes in your garden is simple and easy, and can provide a variety of uses in your cooking. Just remember to plant in cooler weather, water consistently, and thin out your radishes if necessary. Happy gardening!